Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with others who you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 262. And if we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 9. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 9, no help here, 1, 3, 9, 9 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 9, no help here, 3, 5, 9. 9 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 6. Actually, we've got a 6 covering both of these boxes, so this is our 6. But I don't see any other help, so 1, 3, 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 covering this box and a 5 covering this box, so our 5 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. No help here. 2, 3, 9. 2 and 9 here. Means this is our 3. And that 3 and that 5 makes this our 9. That means this is our 2. And that 9 makes this our 3, 5. And actually this 9 here means this is our 3, 1, 9. And that 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 8, 9. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing a 2. And for this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes us our 3 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.